All right, here is a quick village build update from over the weekend. My husband managed to build those 2 extra platforms that I had asked for. So now the front of the mountain is finished. I added these 4 buildings onto those 2 platforms. I do want the Fisherman's Nook to be a little bit higher, so I'll have to add 1 or 2 pieces of styrofoam underneath that. And then I may add a piece underneath Rock Creek Mill, or I might switch these 2 around. Once I get that figured out, I need to get the lights out and get those 4 buildings lit up. Once the lights are figured out, I need to figure out how I want to cover up all that framework. I have an idea, but if you all have any ideas, I would love to hear them. I need a little extra feedback on that one. Then over here underneath the city table, I had put an extra tote that had 3 buildings and totally forgot about it. One of the buildings I wanted in the city, and that was the county courthouse. So that meant I had to shift all these to be able to get that one to fit. The other one was the wedding chapel, and then the last one was All Saints. I'm not sure if this one is going to stay here or not. If it does, I'll probably have to raise these other 2 up.